Here are the 7 best snack catchers, counting down to the one I'd actually buy. But most parents picture a calm car ride, then find crackers in the seat seams before they reach the driveway. What matters isn't a cute shape. It's your child's stage, your cleanup tolerance, and whether you need a cup, pouch, or bowl. Choose format first. Cups travel, pouches suit older kids, and bowls support learning. Then decide your tolerance for unclear cleanup details. Go. Number 7. LiangTing Gyro Bowl. Want snack time to feel more like practice than portable storage? I'd consider this only for a child learning to handle snacks at home. Its bowl format makes that role clear. It isn't trying to be the usual reach-in cup. That can suit a table or high chair routine, where exploring the bowl is part of the point. But the different format also changes the mess management expectation, especially once you're leaving the house. I wouldn't make it my default car snack container. Skip it if you want a conventional snack cup. Also skip it if age fit, cleaning steps, and spill handling need to be clearly spelled out before you buy. Number 6. Ubbi Tweat. If spilled snacks are the daily argument, I'd put this near the top for a busy bagging car routine. Its role centers on spill resistance and durability, which suits something grabbed from breakfast through errands. That makes it appealing for parents tired of loose snacks rolling around a stroller basket or backseat. But that's still broad positioning, not a clear picture of cleanup or materials. I'd want those basics settled before making it the everyday pick. Skip it if cleaning instructions, material details, and spill behavior need to be clear before checkout. Number 5. Nuby iMonster. This is the one I'd show a child who wants their snack gear to feel like their own. Its kid-focused role gives it a place beside plainer, general-purpose choices. That matters when enthusiasm makes a routine easier, especially at home or in a stroller. But a kid-focused label doesn't tell me whether the shape, capacity, or cleanup suits your day. I wouldn't choose it blind for a long car routine. Skip it if you need age fit, materials, and cleaning information before you commit. It belongs in the comparison, but it needs those basics to earn a higher spot. Number 4. Itzy Ritzy Snack Happens. Need a snack holder for an older kid, rather than a traditional reach-in cup? I'd look here if a pouch suits the way your family already packs snacks. Its pouch role is the key distinction, and it gives older kids a different carry option. That can feel more natural for school bags or outings than another cup-shaped container. But a pouch is a format choice, not an automatic upgrade for younger children. I wouldn't pick it for someone specifically wanting a conventional snack cup. Skip it if you need age range, closure details, or capacity clearly laid out before buying. Its ranking reflects that narrow, older kid lane. Number 3. Boon SNUG. If your goal is to spend less without wandering through endless options, this is the sensible stop. I'd consider it first for a parent who wants the budget-oriented choice in this lineup. That positioning matters because snack gear gets used hard and sometimes outgrown quickly. But budget only helps when the durability and useful lifespan makes sense for your routine. I wouldn't assume either from a budget label alone. Skip it if you need a current price comparison or clear durability details before deciding. Prices change, so check before you buy. Number 2. BraveJusticeKidsCo Snack Attack. For families set on a Silicone-cup format, this is the focused alternative near the top. I'd put it on your list when that flexible cup style is the actual goal, not just a trendy material word. Its silicone cup roll separates it from the pouch, bowl, and general snack catcher choices here. But that label doesn't tell me enough about daily cleanup, dimensions, or what the silicone composition is. I wouldn't make material assumptions from the name alone. Skip it if you need age guidance and cleaning instructions before you order. This is a format-led choice, not a detail-rich one. Number 1. Munchkin Snack Plus. This is where I'd start if you want one all-purpose snack catcher, not a niche format decision. It's the overall pick in this lineup, which makes it the cleanest first stop for most families. That broad roll beats chasing a bowl, pouch, or material-specific option before you know what your routine needs. But Top Spot doesn't erase the missing practical details. I wouldn't buy any snack catcher without knowing how it fits your child's stage and cleanup routine. Skip it if you need age limits, materials, cleaning instructions, or recall status clearly available first. For the widest starting point, this is the one I'd actually buy. Use the format as the shortcut. LiangTing is for learning at home, Itzy Ritzy is the older kid pouch, and BraveJusticeKidsCo is the Silicone-cup lane. Ubbi leans toward spill resistance, Boon toward budget, and Nuby toward kid appeal. Munchkin is the broad starting point. Before checkout, match the format to your child's stage and your usual setting. Confirm cleaning steps, materials, capacity, closure behavior, and dimensions if those change your routine. Then decide whether a cup, pouch, or bowl really fits your bag, car, and kitchen. Pick LiangTing for learning, Ubbi for spill focus, and Nuby for kid appeal. Itzy Ritzy suits an older kid pouch. Choose Boon for budget or BraveJusticeKidsCo for a Silicone-cup format. For the broadest start, I'd choose Munchkin Snack Plus. Links are in the description.